This is LeetCode problem 160, intersection of two linked lists. Given the heads of two singly linked lists, head A and head B, return the node at which the two lists intersect. If the two linked lists have no intersection at all, return null. What is an intersection? An intersection occurs when two linked lists converge at a shared node and from that point onwards share all subsequent nodes. This problem is easier to solve if two linked lists have equal length, because the intersection node can be found at the same position from heads of both linked lists. It's guaranteed to reach intersection node at the same time if intersection exists. While two linked lists, list A and list B, may have different length, list A to list B has the same length as list B to list A. These combined linked lists also share the same tail nodes. By traversing these combined linked lists with two pointers and stopping when nodes at both pointers are the same, this node would be intersection node. If no intersection exists, both pointers will end up stopping at null nodes. This is the coding part. List A starting from head A, list B starting from head B, and then we traverse list A and list B until they meet. While list A is not equal to list B, we traverse from list A to list B. And at the same time, we traverse list B to list A. One thing to call out here, instead of using list B, we use head B because we want to guarantee the node starting from the beginning of original list B. And the same for head A instead of list A. At this point, list A and list B either point to intersection node or both are null if lists do not intersect. And then we should return either pointer. Here we return list A, but return list B will work as well. Time complexity is O n plus m. Space complexity is O of 1.